ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
National President jangka National People's Party Conrad Kongkal Sangma haba penteri kam ya ka ikhtiar balapun kubor yu hapo ka Article 7 in bracket 2 jangka riti trekam ka party ulatung yu ba Prestone Tynsong kumu President jangka Meghalaya State Unit ya ka negarai la penbenapat ba haka life way terik risau arajar arpulai daga jing syatung kumu President jangka Meghalaya State Unit Uba Prestone Tynsong uba longru usembut menteri rangba kejela la pelaj no ya na barok ki jingkit kle ki ba ubat mensyua hapo ka National Committee.
As you are all aware, a few months back, our state president, Dr. W.R. Khalukhi, who is also the member of the Rajya Sabha, had requested me as national president that he would like to be relieved of the post of party president at the state level. And hence I requested him that he may please continue till we appoint a new president. And therefore, within this time period, after the request from Dr. Khalukhi, I had started a series of consultation with the many party leaders and have finally come to a conclusion and a final decision. But before I get to that, I, on behalf of the party and all the members of the state unit of the National People's Party, would like to thank Dr. W.R. Khalukhi for having served as the state president for so many years, as you're aware, even from the time of late P.A. Sangma, for almost 23 years.
16 years.
Yeah, well, 16 years he has been with the party and with the leadership, and he has served very dedicatedly for as a state president also. And I take this opportunity at the very outset to thank him for his service to the party organization. At this point, I also would like to inform all of you that after deep and detailed consultation with many of our leaders from throughout the state, and after going through a large process of consultation at the grassroots from all the different regions of our state, I am happy to inform all of you that as the national president and as per the constitutional provisions and the powers that have been given to me, I am happy to inform you that Shri Prestone Tynsong will be appointed as the new president of the National People's Party. Officially hand over this appointment letter and notification to him.
I'm very happy to be with this party, and I think I have served for 16 years as the president. I think it's long enough, and God has blessed us that in spite of the struggle we're going together. I remember when our sir was only a youth president. Now today he was a chief minister, and I'm sure, I told sir, that if he really know how to plan and strategize, we'll get a third term, without any doubt. And under the leadership of Prestone is a veteran of many battles. From 2003, sir, you have started your career, and 5 terms you'll be continuing. So I'm very happy, and well, I'm still there as an MP to work together with the party. Thank you very much.
Yes, the development has happened that ultimately I was sitting with the Honorable National President and then few senior leaders. What are we to do from now? Because we understand Dr. Khalukhi has been there for 16 plus years. So he has already requested so many times to the Honorable National President that he wanted to relieve from the post of President. So we were trying to find out ways and means and who will be the next president of Meghalaya State Unit. But ultimately, our Honorable Chief Minister and also National President, he ultimately convinced me, said that you have to take over. So thank you so much, sir. Under your guidance, I'm very sure we'll be able to again continue working, serving the people of the state in Meghalaya, and especially now, again, we are here in the midst of the challenges that we have in proving ourselves that we are here and people of the state, and the aspiration of all of them is to see that we deliver the goods in the right way. So we are here. The government is also led by us, by the Honorable Chief Minister. So my only request to all the leaders, very soon we will reconstitute the committee, and not only in the state level, I would like to see that we strengthen in each and every district throughout the state, because we really wanted to make sure that our party goes down up to the grassroots level. No one should say that NPP is only in Shillong, in Tura or Chiwai. It should be to the grassroots. And we will jointly work together. And as I said to you, we will immediately reconstitute the committee in the state level, and also I'm very sure very soon we'll be able to even reconstitute in the district level as well as in the block level wherever is necessary. I take these challenges, I take this responsibility, really, and very soon we are going to face the election again in 2024. One is election MDC and number 2 is election MP. So these are the two challenges that we have before us. So I would request that we will work hard, tirelessly. Let us make sure that NPP again in the coming election comes back to power, be it in the district council and also be it in the election MP, both the constituency, Shillong and Tura MP constituency, we should come out successfully. So that is what we wanted to. And sir, you please be with us always. And of course, I would like to indicate in advance that reformation will take place immediately. We need to really reform, and I would also request that all those members, senior members, wherever assignment is made, let us work hard. And my dream is, number one, we would like to complete the office, the party office. I think that is the priority for us. Let us complete the party office at the earliest possible, and we will be able to function our office properly, maybe from the permanent office which is under construction.